If you've ever opened an Etsy shop, gotten a bunch of favorites, and wondered why nobody is actually buying, this video is for you. Because I see some sellers making this mistake all the time, and it could actually be costing you your entire business before it even gets started. Let me tell you about a friend of mine. She opened an Etsy store, listed her products, and within the first week, she started getting favorites. This went on for about 3 weeks, favorites trickling in consistently, but zero sales. She ended up shutting the whole store down. When I asked her why she did that, she said nobody cares about the products. They're just favoriting things and moving on. I had to break her some hard news. She quit right before things were about to take off. Here's what most sellers don't realize. All of us window shop. We browse, we save things, we come back later. Maybe you're scoping out a birthday gift a month in advance. Maybe you're planning a bachelorette party or a graduation 3 months out. Favoriting something doesn't mean I don't want this. It means I want it later. And here's where it gets more interesting from an algorithm standpoint. When someone favorites your listing on Etsy, that's not a vanity metric. Etsy actually pays attention to that engagement. Favorites signal to the platform that people are interested in your product, which can help your listing get more visibility over time. So favorites aren't just future buyers bookmarking you. They're also telling Etsy's algorithm that your shop is worth showing to more people. So when I start seeing favorites on my new listings, especially early, I take that as a strong signal. That product is going to sell. I just need to give it time to season. Think of it this way. Favorites are filling the funnel. You're building a pipeline of future buyers, not collecting empty clicks. So the sale might come 2 weeks later or 2 months later, but it is coming. So if you're in those early weeks of your shop and you're getting favorites but no sales yet, do not shut down. Do not pivot. That's a green flag, not a red one. Hang in there, keep listing, and let the funnel do its job. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe because I talk about the business side of Etsy and other creative businesses every week. The stuff that actually moves the needle. I'll see you in the next one.